Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning educations. Today we are going to start with tenses of English grammar. So let's study what are tenses. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or happening, whether it is in the present, past or future. So what is the meaning of tense? Tense basically shows us the time of when an action is being done. So tense shows us time, whether that time can be present, past or that can be future. So it can be present, past or either future. So tenses is a form taken by a verb to show the time of an action. The verb tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event or condition by changing its form. So tense basically is taken by a verb which shows us the time of when an action is done. So it tells कि when the action is done, right? It shows us the time of when we did that action. So tense is basically that word which is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So in Hindi we call time tense as काल, right? So in Hindi we call that tense as काल, and it shows us the time or समय. So now the tense will tell us the time and the event or condition by changing the form. With this introduction, we will proceed to learn what are tense and the basic rules of tenses. So there are three types of tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. So the types of present tense is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous. And the types of past tense are past indefinite, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. And the types of future perfect tense are future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So these are the further types of the tenses. So it means that there are mainly three types of tenses, and that three types of tenses are further divided into the rest 12 types of tenses, right? So now we have got that the meaning of the tense is काल. It means समय. So it means that time, the समय when we did our action, right? जिस समय हमने किसी काम को किया है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? टेंस बोलेंगे. और कौन सा, और वो वर्ड जो हमें उस टाइम को इंडिकेट करेगा कि वो कब हुआ था, वो काम कब हुआ था, वो होता है टेंस. And there are basically three types of tenses. One is your perfect tense, present tense, past tense and future tense. So these three are the main important tenses, and they are going to tell us about the time. And further if we divide them, then they are divided into 12 types. So now in this session we will only just focus on one tense so that it will be more clear to us. So the first tense is simple present tense, that is simple present tense. It means we are going to study the first type of present tense. So now what is simple present tense? Now according to the English grammar, in simple present the action is simply mentioned and there is nothing being said about its completeness. Now इफ़ वी टॉक, अगर हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की बात करें तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्शन के बारे में बताया जाएगा कि एक्शन जो है वो रोज़ हो रहा है या वो रेगुलर बेसिस पर हो रहा है, लेकिन हमें सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में उसके कंप्लीट होने की बात हमें नहीं बताई जाएगी कभी भी. अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हमें किसी भी एक्शन के कंप्लीट होने का जो सेंस है या कंप्लीट हो गया है वो टास्क, उसके बारे में हमें श्योर नहीं होगा. So it is used to talk about an action which happens on regular basis. So they are telling about an action. They will always tell us about an action which is going on the regular basis. On the regular basis, वो काम जो रोज़ हम करते हैं. For example, you bath daily, you brush daily, you drink milk daily. So these all are simple present tenses. These all are the examples of simple present tenses. So if we talk about now we know that sentences यानी वाक्य are divided into many types. So First is your affirmative sentence. Now you might know about what is affirmative sentences. If you don't know, I am going to tell you that is positive sentences और assertive sentences. It means the sentence which is simple. वो sentence जो बिल्कुल simple है, ना हमने उसके अंदर कुछ negative बात की है that he is not doing this task, right? ना ही हमने उसके अंदर कोई questioning की है, right? So ना ही वो interrogative है, ना ही वो negative है. That is a positive statement. So that will be known as your affirmative sentence or your assertive sentence. For example, let us take I study in Texas school. You study in Texas school. He studies in Texas school. Now, you might know that with plural we use singular and with singular we use plural. For example, here you know that I and you, these are plural, right? These are singular, right? So whenever we know that I and you, these all both, जैसे I है, मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, you है, तो हम ये हमेशा I study इनके साथ क्या लगेगा? I study, you study, we study, because I, you, we, they, right? These are plural. तो जो चीज़ प्लूरल होगी मेरी, उनके साथ मैं सिंगुलर का यूज़ करूँगी. और यहाँ पे जैसे ही है तो ही इज़ अ सिंगुलर, ही एक ही पर्सन की बात कर रही हूँ, तो इस यहाँ पे स्टडीज़ है, यानी सिंगुलर के साथ मैंने यहाँ पे प्लूरल यूज़ किया है. और उसके साथ उस प्लूरल को फॉर्म करने के लिए मैंने उस वर्ब के अंदर, वर्ब क्या थी? स्टडी, उसके अंदर मैंने SES और IES को ऐड किया है. So I hope that you are understanding what I am telling you, that with plural we use singular and with singular we use plural. So let's have one more look. I am going to tell you again in detail if you have not understood. See, now forget everything which I have told you earlier. Just start from here, that is positive sentences. See, now we are